This is a 3 3/8 garbage disposal splash guard. It says for InSinkErator Evolution, but I'm going to tell you what, it works on my American Standard as well. It's made of a heat-resistant silicone, and it's made special to absorb sound. It's quite easy to install. You see that little ridge right there? Well, you have that same ridge in your garbage disposal drain. I bought a 2-pack. This comes in either a 1 or a 2-pack. Before you install the new one, go ahead and throw some ice down in there, because this splash guard is going to work perfect for that. But that'll help sharpen your blades. The way I install it is like this. I push it down until I feel it hit all the way around, so it's nice and even. Then I push it, and you can feel it snap into there. You see how it's making a nice seal? Listen for it. There it is. Popped right in. No splashback. There it is. You can see when it hits on there, doesn't hit like there and splash everywhere. Nice. So if you want to keep your splash guard from getting all warped up like this here, don't put boiling water down here. In other words, don't take your boiling pasta water and pour it down on this sink. If you've got two sides, pour it down the other side. And that'll prevent it from getting all warped up. And that'll last a lot longer. I not only review it, I actually use it.